Your Lordship, may I make a mention for one unlisted item which was filed yesterday? Writ petition I filed yesterday, but to be listed on this 20th of this month, after vacation, my Lord.
No, 20th.
Yes.
28.
20th.
Ah.
20 of this month.
20.
Much obliged.
For orders, item number 1.
Please, Your Lordship. My Lord, this is an application for enlargement of the petitioner on bail, whose allegation is that he was apprehended on the 25th of 11, 2023, on the alleged possession of 310 grams of heroin, which is estimated to be about 9,32,490 rupees. 310.830 grams of heroin, estimated to be about 9,32,490 rupees.
Just a minute. Offense is
Under section 21C of the NDMA.
21C.
Yes, my lord.
Bail application filed before the trial court.
Yes, my lord. It was, my lord, annexure 2
Okay.
at page 18.
Rejected.
No, my lord. It was 1 month of interim bail was granted.
There was temporary bail.
Yes, my lord. Interim bail
For what?
on medical grounds, my lord.
Okay.
And annexure
So,
3 at page.
After 1 month, you again surrendered.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, that is temporary bail. And then
my lord,
thereafter,
at annexure 3 at page 24, the application was rejected. The same contention regarding the non-production of the intimation of arrest to the accused, and all those such grounds have been taken, but it was rejected. And
the annexure 3 is second bail application.
that is the second bail application, yes, my lord. But however, after
This
that,
was for regular bail or
for regular
temporary?
bail, my lord, for regular,
Okay, what happened there?
it was rejected, my lord.
It was rejected.
Yes, my
On
lord.
what ground?
On the grounds that the accused person did not make out any grounds,
Hmm?
did not make out any grounds for his
Where is the
innocence.
relevant?
The relevant portion is at page 23 at paragraph point 8.
Paragraph?
Point 8 of the, at the last, at the bottom of the point, my lord. The accused,
8.
8, yes.
When this was rejected? On which date?
The date is 8 August 2025.
Okay, then thereafter?
Thereafter, my lord, adjoined, my lord, lordship may kindly note that there are 2 accused in this case. And
Okay.
adjoined bail petition, adjoined interim order, adjoined petition was submitted again, and interim bail was granted on the grounds of medical medical
No, just
leave.
a minute, just a
for
minute.
a
This
period
is
of
again
60
on
days.
8/8/25?
Yes, yes, my lord.
Annexure 4 is also 8/8/25?
Yes, my lord.
This is bail application 4? On the same date?
My lord, though it is written as 8/8, at the last page of the order, my lord, at page 26, the date bears 4th December 2025. So there's a clerical error,
Okay,
my
so
lord,
this is bail application, bail order for whom?
for both the accused.
Both the accused means?
Both the accused,
The present accused also?
Yes, my lord.
Present applicant also?
Yes, my lord.
Bail granted?
Of 60 days.
Hmm?
60 days for interim bail was granted
For what?
on medical grounds to avail medical leave, my lord.
Medical grounds?
Yes, my lord.
60 days?
60 days. The relevant portion is at para 5, page 26.
Hmm.
May I read, my lord?
This was December.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. The medical problem seems to be So 60 days means till when?
60 days means till February,
From
from 4th December.
4th December
Yes, my lord.
till
But
February.
however, I have, yes, I have
January,
mentioned
February,
that.
till 4th February,
Mm.
3rd February. Okay, again thereafter surrendered.
My lord, due to the stern condition that has been set by the judge, the same could not be availed, and it has been in vain.
Hmm?
It has been in vain, the interim bail that was granted.
This bail could not be availed
Yes, my lord, due to the stern condition.
due to
The stern condition, my lord, the strict condition which has been imposed, my lord.
which condition?
The
Which condition is strict or
Uh,
stern? Condition
uh,
number?
at para 6, my lord.
Hmm?
Para 6. Accordingly, bail is granted to the accused petitioners on interim measure for a period of 60 days so as to enable them to have a proper medical checkup treatment on their executing a bond of 2 lakhs each with reliable surety each of the like amount. So basically it's the financial hardship which hampered availing the bail.
So this application is for modification,
No, my lord, for regular bail at this stage.
regular bail.
Yes, ma'am.
But then regular bail was rejected.
And due to which
Whether
I-
the regular bail is pending before the trial court.
No, there's no pending bail.
This application was specifically filed for temporary bail. Claim
My lord.
temporary bail. It was filed for regular bail or
It
temporary?
was for temporary bail, my lord.
Temporary bail only.
Yes.
Have you tried or have you filed any regular bail before the trial court?
Prior to this, my lord, 8/8/2025. That's it, none other.
They are also temporary.
No, that is a regular bail, my lord. 8/8/2025.
Okay.
Annexure 3, my lord, wherein it was rejected.
Now see, the trial court refused the regular bail and allowed a temporary bail.
My lord.
If you are claiming that temporary bail condition be modified, that is different. But then a regular bail, there is a prima facie case against you. By the way, what is the status of the case?
2 prosecution witnesses have been examined, my lord.
Examined.
Yes, my lord.
Only 2
Yes, my lord.
out of
7.
7. When the charge was framed?
Charge was framed on the 13/5/2024, my lord. 13/5/2024.
24.
Charge sheet. Yes.
Since 24, only 2 prosecution witness could be
Yes.
examined.
Correct, my lord. As per my rough calculation, my lord, they have been incarcerated for around 1 year and 263 days till date.
Maybe.
Total.
But then there is a prima facie case against you. You can direct for make an observation to expedite the trial. So you have received the record.
Yes, the TCR is there, my lord. My lord, the learned trial court has allowed interim bail, and the order still stands, my lord, to this day. So, if they cannot fulfill the condition, then they can come for reduction.
Yes.
The order still stands.
I
my
think
lord.
you better file for
My
the
lord,
modification.
May I state
Yes.
one thing in that regard, my lord? When inquired to the dealing staff, it was learned that the condition would be enforced from the date of the order, and now it's been 2 months. 2 months has passed already, my lord.
Now, if you pray for modification, if you still think that the accused needs medical treatment outside for 60 days, it was already granted. And then you can just make a prayer that due to certain difficulties, it could not be availed. So now you want to avail, and then and then some concession, with some concession, if some concession is given, make prayer will allow.
But my lord, there are grounds which the
But then the
prosecutor.
regular bail is very difficult, 21C.
But the amount,
And
my
then
lord,
the-
Oshime kindly note the amount is rough. Just above the
See, you yourself.
red line.
And
my
these
lord.
were seized from you, signed from my possession, it was seized from my possession. It's a clear case, it's very difficult. You better file application for modification of the order, modification of the condition number 1 or 2, which one will allow? The bail will be difficult. And then while allowing that also, we'll also make an observation to expedite the trial. 60 days still you were granted. You did not avail. We'll allow you to avail. You file a fresh application for modification of the condition.
My lord.
This will be rejected only. You better withdraw.
If
I'm
that's
going to reject otherwise.
If that's the case, then allow me to withdraw the petition, my lord.
Withdraw and file for modification of that, and then giving an opportunity to avail the 60 days temporary bail granted to you with some modification
My lord.
in the condition.
My lord.
It's 2 lakhs that can be brought to 1 lakh, and then other condition if there is.
My lord.
Isn't it, Miss Linda?
Yes, my lord. That will be.
Because
no
earlier
problem.
also he availed 30 days,
Yes.
and then sincerely he has surrendered himself again, and now we can believe him or
Yes.
believe her or him.
Him, my lord.
Hmm.
But my lord, there is one observation in the judge in the order of the learned trial judge at page 23 at para 7. But it's okay that. But I'll just point it out to your lordship. At page 23, that both the accused, while they were on interim bail, have failed to attend court numerous times on one pretext or another. So it seems even they have failed to attend some court dates. That is why.
These accused,
Yes, my lord. That is
Ah,
why
my lord.
maybe it was made high.
which
And
page 20,
Page 23,
26.
23, 2-3, at
3 is the
number
earlier bail
7.
application. Para,
7.
both the accused while they were on interim bail have failed to attend court numerous. It's one bail
Maybe.
that was within 30 days.
Yes.
Now this time those conditions can be strict condition.
Yes,
they
my
fail,
lord. Yes.
If they fail, the bail granted to them will automatically
Mm-hmm.
cancelled,
Yes.
stand cancelled. Will say that. Okay, Mr.
I'll withdraw the petition at this stage.
Mr.
Laro Kungapatu.
Okay, Lani counsel for the petitioner wants to withdraw this bail application with liberty to file afresh for modification of and file appropriate file afresh the appropriate application. Okay. The prayer is allowed. This bail application stands dismissed with liberty as prayed for. Okay, you file.
Same order may be passed.
Item number 2.
Sorry, ma'am.
Inang turang.
Yes, same order may be
Similar
passed.
order. Okay, similar order. Huh? Okay.
Item number 3.
My lord, item number 3 may be passed over for the last item.
Okay, time being.
Alright,
Okay,
my lord, she's here.
3.
Yes, Your
Oh,
Lordship.
you're there.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
Your Lordship, this matter may be fixed on Monday after vacation.
Monday. Okay.
On 20th, on 20th,
On
of
28th.
April.
Okay. So the case there, what case diary or what was called for?
Yes, Your Lordship.
PCR, my lords.
The scan copy is
Trial court
received.
record. Okay. Miss
Bane Siami.
Ba Chandanu Lanet PP for the state. Praise for listing this matter on 20. So the trial court record could not be
It's
produced.
already received, Your Lordship.
Okay, received. Okay. Then hard, Mr.
Yes, my Lord Riyata.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. Sancho, learned PP. Huh? He is prayed for the learned PP for the state. List this matter on 20 for bail hearing. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Highly obliged.
Item number 4.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, on the previous court date, with the permission of this honorable court, I have amended the course title.
Okay. We'll call for the case diary or it's a record?
I think.
Charge sheet file?
Charge sheet is
Not
not
yet.
filed.
Not yet filed, Lordship.
Okay. We'll call for the then case diary.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Heard Mr.
Mr. Michael Patrol.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Miss Linda, learned PP for the state. Stop para. This is an application filed under section 483 of the BNSS, read with article 20. Okay, BNSS for praying for grant of bail to the petitioner himself is the applicant.
Lordship, yes.
Petitioner, the accused petitioner who has been arrested in connection with President of where is the PS case number?
It's in the course title. Excise case number.
Excise case number
EX.
63.
Yes.
The EXN number case. And the EXN, case number 63/2026, registered under section 21B of NDPS, ND and PS Act 1985. Stop. Call for the case diary. List this matter on 20. 20.
My lord, let it come up on 21st, my lord.
21st.
because Right after
21st
vacation.
is-
21st April.
21st is holiday.
Yes,
Lordship,
it's a holiday.
I humbly pray it be fixed on 20th April.
My lord, 20th will be a little bit difficult because
20
it's a holiday.
is the
right
first
after the
day.
holiday.
Probably
Yes,
it will be difficult to receive the because
case
that,
diary, yes,
prior
my
to
lord.
that it will be holiday.
Yes.
Let the case diary be received on Monday and let it place it on Tuesday.
Tuesday is a holiday,
Tuesday
my
is a
lord.
holiday.
So
Tuesday is holiday.
22nd is okay, my lord.
That is fine.
21st is election day. 23rd,
23rd.
yes.
Okay.
Item number 5.
Much obliged.
Please, my lords, I appear for the petitioner in the matter. Am I clearly audible to my lords?
Yes, we are for petitioner.
I am for the
See,
petitioner.
see, there is a notification. It has to be placed before
Justice
the
Mike.
designated judge.
Yes.
This arbitration
My
method.
lords,
You knew
please
it very
have the
well.
cause list.
It will be
I
placed.
understand the predicament that is coming from my lords. My lords will just have the cause list. It's under the power of the Chief Justice. For today, my lords are the competent court. My lords will just have the cause list. The very first line says that. My lords will just have the cause list of the day. I'll just point out that provision.
Cause list
My lords will have the cause list of the day, my lords.
of today.
Yes, my lords.
Yes, what?
My lords, the very first line of the cause list will read that it is published under the authority of the Honorable Chief Justice. My lords, an administrative order will not come in the way of your lordship's judicial powers today.
Okay.
My lords,
The,
I am...
the matter,
Yes, my
this
lords.
matter,
On the matter.
comma, this matter, comma, though pertaining to arbitration, has been listed before this court on being mentioned by the learned counsel for the applicant, petitioner, applicant. Stop. Para. Registry is directed to place the matter before the appropriate bench. Okay.
My lords, may I point out that there is a slight urgency. I am pressing
Next.
for a stay. My officers have been...
How can I take up? Have you seen the
My
notification?
lord, my lord, may I please make
May I
one
point
small
out,
submission, my lord. I would be appearing for respondent, my lord.
No,
So
not
the
required.
filing-
Not required also. Not required also. It will be placed
Yes, my
before
lord,
the
I have
appropriate
serious
bench only.
objection.
So him.
Yes.
My
so
lords,
him.
can then
So him.
please consider having
He
it
knew it
placed
very
before-
well. But
It has to
why-
be taken up by Justice
Item
Michael.
number 6.
My lords, may I only request that it be taken up before 16th if your lordships can
Item
only
6.
request that much, add that in the order.
May I please,
May I-
Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, we have filed this application by order as allowed by this Honorable Court in order, dated 6/3/2026. We have obtained the succession certificate, Lordship.
You have no objection now?
Yes, my lord, we have no objection to this IA.
Okay.
And also, my lord, we will not be filing any objection to the IA number 23 of 2025.
For,
That is for the stay application.
that is for delay?
Stay.
Stay
Oh, stay application.
Yes,
my lord.
Lordship.
Okay, you have objection to stay. Okay.
No, my lord, we will not be objecting.
Hmm?
We have no objection, my lord.
Which one?
Both IA number
Okay.
64 of
Okay.
2026
Okay.
and 23
Miss
of
Pero
2025.
pari,
Land and Council for the
applicant.
applicant. Stop. I have also heard Miss
Miss Laltan Louie,
Land and Council.
on behalf of my senior, Mr. Bilaram Enga.
Your name is also there?
My name is not there, my
Not
lord.
there. Okay, Land and Council. Appearing on behalf of
Mr. Bilaram Enga.
Land and Council for the respondent. Respondent number
Number
One.
1.
1. And you are for?
Daniel Ramrotkima, Daniel Shasel, for respondent on behalf of Samuel Valersheta Sangpe,
Mr.
additional
So-and-so
AG,
appearing on
respondent
behalf of
number 2
Mr.
and 3.
On behalf of?
Respondent number 2 and 3.
Okay. Your name is there?
No, Your Lordship.
Okay. You are appearing on behalf of?
Samuel Valersheta,
Okay.
additional AG, respondent number
Okay.
2 and 3.
For the respondent number, Land and Council. For the respondent number 2 and 3?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Para.
Your Lordship, state have no objection regarding the IA.
Okay. This is an application filed under order Roman 22, Rule 4, read with Section 151 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, seeking substitution of the petitioner, appellant, Sri Lalrem Ruata, within bracket, since deceased. By his son. No, not by his son. Lalam Urwata, since deceased, stroke, original defendant.
Number 1.
In title suit number 58, stroke 2012. By his son. Sri Lalrem Liana Ralte, son of Lal Ram Ruata, within bracket, since deceased, bracket close. As per the direction of this court, on dated 6/3/2026, passed in RFA number 5 of 2025. Start. The petitioner has annexed the succession. You have annexed succession certificate?
Yes, Lordship.
Succession
Page number
certificate.
13, annexure number 2.
Okay. Showing that he is the successor of late Lal Ram Ruata, within bracket, since deceased. Stop. It is submitted that the right to sue survives. No, just a minute, Just a minute, Because you were not the party in the trial court.
Yes, Lordship.
So only here, in the appeal, you want that it should be in your name.
No, Lordship, my father is a party.
No, your father was the party, but not you. Your father died before filing this appeal only,
Yes,
isn't
Lordship.
it? But that after passing of the judgment, but before the filing of appeal, your father expired, isn't
Yes,
it?
yes, Lordship.
And then you file this appeal in the name of your father only. But then now you want to change this in your name, isn't it?
No, Lordship. Lal Ram Ruata now that represented by legal representative.
No, see,
Yes,
your father is no more, so he cannot file.
So
He cannot.
I will be the legal representative.
So that is why it should be according to you, or your prayer is that it should be in your name.
No, Lordship, my prayer is that if the appeal can come as Lal Ram Ruata, now that represented by his legal representative, as still the nomenclature, my father will still be there, but I will be the legal representative. I will represent my father.
Okay. But your father's name cannot. He cannot be the petitioner now, appellant. It will be your name, in your name only.
Yes, Lordship.
Son of your father. Your father's name cannot come now as an appellant.
Yes, Lordship. Now it can come in my name as still the nomenclature of the appeal. It says.
Please use the mic.
Sri Lalremwata, now dead, represented by his legal representative, and my name is there. We filed this appeal because the respondent number 1 have objection regarding that, and as per the order 6/3/2026, it is said that
Okay, just a minute. Then the Learned Council for the appellant submitted the right to sue survive. The right to sue or to challenge the judgment and decree survives to the estate of the deceased. Stop. And since he is the successor and legal heir of the original defendant in title suit number 58/2012, passed on dated 4/11/2024. He may be allowed to represent and he may be allowed to represent his deceased father. Stop. Para. Both the Learned Council appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1, 2 and 3 have no objection. Stop. In view of the above, accordingly, this application is allowed. Para. The applicant is allowed to amend the course title in the appeal, of the appeal, of the RFA 5/2025. Okay.
yes, sir.
With the above, this IS stands allowed and disposed of. Okay. Then, in the RFA, in view of the hard miss same,
Yes, sir.
counsel for the appellant and then also respondent, stop. Para, in view of the order passed today in IAC 64/2026, the Sri, his name,
Lalremwata. Lalremwata.
shall be first your father's name first.
Yes, my father's
Shall be-
name is
Shall
Lalremwata.
be as appellant, Sri Lalremwata, since deceased. shall be substituted by his son stroke legal representative Sri Lal Sangliana. Your name is Lal Sangliana.
Lalrem Liana Ralte.
Huh?
Lalrem Liana Ralte.
Lalrem Ruata is no more.
Yes,
Father?
Lalrem Wata is my father, and
Yes, father is no more.
and
So first
his
the
son
father,
name is
huh?
Lalrem Liana Ralte.
Son is
Lalrem Liana Ralte.
Lal.
Rem Liana Ralte.
No. Lal Sangliana. Who is this? Lal Sangliana. Sangliana.
Sangliana is my father's, is my
No.
grandfather.
He is the.
He is the father of my father.
Okay, okay. Then
Yes,
Lal
Asha.
Rem Liana. Yes, Lal Rem Ria. Lal Rem Liana Ralte. Who would represent his father Lal Rem Ruata? Within bracket since this is stop. The appellant is allowed to, the appellant shall file amended course title. In the amended course title, your name should come
Yes,
first.
Ashok.
Son of your father, Lal Rem Ruata. Okay?
Yes, Worship.
In the okay. You file this amended course title within a week.
Lordship, next week is vacation.
Okay, within 2 weeks.
Yes, Worship.
Okay.
My lord, appeal is also not yet admitted.
List is matter. List the appeal for admission. Okay.
And my lord, the IA, regarding IA number 23 of
In the
2025.
IA, it was allowed probably.
Uh,
Some. Okay.
It can be disposed of today, my lord, the stay application.
Hmm?
The stay application, IA 23 of 2025.
Yes.
We have no objection to the stay application.
Okay.
Your Lordship, the state has also no objection.
No objection. Okay. Then in stay application, hard. Huh? Same, huh? This is an application filed under Order 41, Rule 5, read with Section 151, Code of Civil Procedure 1908, praying for stay of the operation of the judgment and order dated 4/11/2024 and decree dated 4/11. It's same.
Yes, Worship.
Judgment and order dated, okay, and decree dated 4/11/2024 passed by the court of the civil, learned court of the civil judge senior division. In title suit number 58 of 2012. Stop, para. The learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1 and 1, 2 and 3 has no objection. Stop, huh? Para. In view of the above, the operation of the judgment and order dated 4/11/2024 and decree dated 4/11/2024 passed by the Learned Court of Civil Judge Senior Division in Aizawl district entitled suit number 58 of 2012 shall remain stayed until until further order. Okay? Stop, huh? Okay.
Duly obliged.
Then this I stand disposed of. With the above this I stands disposed of. Okay.
There are 8 items remaining in hearing this, but no one is here.
Okay.
So
Then,
we'll make it after vacation.
after vacation. Okay. So now represent the parties in all the remaining hearing list. Huh? List is matter after the entering vacation. List the matter. Huh? With how many items? 8
Yes.
total. Okay. Okay.